When it comes to integrating with AWS, some best practices have emerged along the way when it comes to your prompts in AI applications. We highly recommend storing your prompts in either like Parameter Store or DynamoDB. These are just fancy places to keep your prompt masterpieces. These are important because you want to make sure that you can programmatically retrieve your prompts and that you're not statically coding prompts into a particular application. When it comes to prompt caching, why waste time saying the same thing twice? Use prompt caching when possible. This actually saves you cost and it enables faster inference, because what happens is behind the scenes, your prompt is cached as a prefix, and then the model resets itself to that prefix state. So now you're not having to feed in the same prompt over and over. You just feed in the additional information that goes with the source prompt. Leads to faster inference, and you save costs as a result. Version control your prompts for when you really need to go back to the prompt that actually worked right, because what worked yesterday might not work tomorrow. And this is especially true as you are implementing a system, you're refining it, trial and error, or you're adding new data types that your system may interpret. You need to make sure that you're version controlling these. And honestly, it's no different than your code. Treat your prompts as code. Make sure that you've got some kind of version control system in place. When it comes to dynamically selecting and customizing prompts, it's like teaching your system to pick up the right tool for the job. Can I remove this screw with a power drill, or does it need a Phillips head screwdriver? Doing it the old-fashioned way, right? Both will get it done, but you want to make sure that you're able to do it the most efficiently. Here with Lambda, you want to make sure that you can dynamically select the most appropriate prompt for the document type that you are trying to process. And it's just a great practice. Instead of trying to solve all the use cases at once, you can collect a little bit of information and select the specialized prompt at that point. Make sure that you're implementing fallback strategies. You need plans B, C, and D for when things inevitably go sideways. So if the LLM is unable to process a document, try Textract, or go to a human review. These are all steps that you can take in order to automate what happens when plan A goes sideways. And when it comes to token monitoring, keeping an eye on your AI's word count helps save your wallet. And you want to make sure that you're monitoring token usage and always optimizing your prompt length for cost efficiency.